अगर ऑरा वर्ल्ड फेल होता है तो ऑनेस्टली क्या गलत होगा?
Execution in terms of construction,
Okay.
because selling is easy. You can sell the entire product immediately, but execution is difficult. Building a high rise is difficult.
अच्छा, एक 2 करोड़ वाले के लिए आइडियल सैलरी क्या होनी चाहिए? Is it? Aura World is 25 years old company. Have you delivered any project?
On the verge of delivery.
Which project?
It is in Sector 79. It is commercial cum residential project. Bang on Sector 79. Structure is ready. Finishing is going on. Delivering in next 5 to 6 months.
Your journey was with M3M for a long time.
Right.
Why have you made this shift to Aura? So before starting the show today, इस चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलिए, because on Chai with Chilani we bring to you the most insightful and influential people of the industries across the globe. और आज हमारी ये चाय पर चर्चा होगी हमारे ही इंडस्ट्री रियल एस्टेट के जाने माने चेहरे से मिस्टर गौरव जैन, a well-known name in the industry of real estate. Ironman, 70.3 marathon runner, a book lover, a shopaholic by nature. I personally know him a lot, but let's decode him in public today. Welcome Gaurav Jain today on our show. Welcome Gaurav to Chai with Chilani.
Thank you very much, Vinny ji, for inviting me.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जिसको आप जानते हो और वो आज एक अच्छी फर्म में एक सेल्स हेड बनकर आए.
Thank you very much.
I'm
Thank you.
really happy and feel really proud to know you.
Thank you.
तो गौरव जी एक चीज़ बताओ, एक आइडियल बजट एक कस्टमर का, और लेट मी पुट इट मास कस्टमर का आइडियल बजट होता है 2 से 2.5 करोड़.
Right.
जो व्यूअर्स हमें सुन रहे हैं, अगर उनका बजट 2 से 2.5 करोड़ है तो उसको क्या लेना चाहिए?
2 से 2.5 करोड़ के अंदर, गुड़गांव के अंदर, if you are getting 2.5 or 3 BHK in a good location with a good developer, with all amenities, with good tie-ups in terms of better contractor, better architects, if you have everything within that budget, I think you should go for that investment immediately, blindfoldly, without thinking a bit, you can invest.
पर अगर मैं गोल्फ कोर्स रोड की बात करूं या इवन द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे की बात करूं या इवन एसपीआर रोड की बात करूं, 2 करोड़ रुपए में कुछ नहीं मिलता.
Only service apartment.
ओनली सर्विस अपार्टमेंट. तो जो हमें सुन रहे हैं वो ये चाहते हैं कि अच्छा, एक 2 करोड़ वाले के लिए आइडियल सैलरी क्या होनी चाहिए
Approximately 20-25 lakh rupees
साल का?
साल का.
और आप ये मानते हो कि 20 से 25 लाख वाले मैक्सिमम यहाँ पर जो काम कर रहे हैं उनकी रेंज यही होगी सैलरी की?
बिल्कुल होगी.
ठीक
वो
है.
भी both partners are working and earning 20-25 lakh rupees. So in short 40 lakh rupees per annum.
40 लाख रुपीस पर एनम, तब जाकर वो 2 से 2.5 करोड़ रुपए के लोन ले सकता है.
Exactly.
और लोन में उसको इक्विटी मनी कितना देना होता है?
Tentatively 10, 12, 15% balance.
तो
they
दैट
can.
मीन्स 2 करोड़ रुपए के घर के लिए उसको 30 लाख रुपए उसके पास खुद की फंडिंग होनी चाहिए.
Exactly.
तो 30 लाख रुपए अगर वो इकट्ठा करता है या मदर फादर से लेता है या दोस्तों से लेता है,
Right.
तो उसके पास फिर एक चॉइस आता है या एक डिसीजन मेकिंग आती है विच इज द डेवलपर.
Right.
द चॉइस ऑफ द डेवलपर इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट.
Right.
बिकॉज हमने देखा है पास्ट में, अब तो रेरा के बाद ये चीज़ें काफ़ी बदल गई.
Right.
तो चॉइस ऑफ डेवलपर पे क्या क्राइटेरिया होने चाहिए?
Developer background, how many lands area they are owning in maybe whatever region they are launching the project, the background of the promoters. And
अच्छा, एक चीज़ बताओ ऑनेस्टली, मैंने आपको रोक दिया.
Right.
ये ऑरा पंकज बंसल जी की कंपनी है या स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड की कंपनी है, एक ही बात है. बट इनके पीछे बिकॉज एक कस्टमर को कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है, जो मार्केट में हमने सुना है.
we are new developer, but we have been in the market for the past almost 25 years. Our
Is it? Aura
Yeah.
World is 25 years old
our-
company.
Yes, our chairman Mr. Arup Roy Chaudhary was part of NBCC. and he turned the entire loss-making organization into a profit center in 15 years. Then he moved to NTPC, DLF. So we have a very strong real estate licensing. We are delivering our first project in Sector 79 by second quarter in 2026. And we are coming up with the project based on wellness in Sector 79 very, very soon. And we will be the first developer coming up project internationally and domestically. Both locations which are internationally recognized, Gurgaon and Dubai.
पर ऑरा, अच्छा ऑरा वर्ल्ड क्यों बोलते हो आप?
Because we will be going global, international. That's why it is Aura World.
When you say international, that means
Dubai. We are launching in Dubai. So I think by June, July, we will be live in Dubai.
so. Have you delivered any project?
On the verge of delivery.
Which project?
It is in Sector 79. It is commercial cum residential project. Bang on Sector 79. Structure is ready. Finishing is going on. Delivering in next 5 to 6 months.
Which project?
By the name of Box Acre. Both 79. Getting delivered in the next 6 months.
Next 6 months. So that means एक बायर आप पे भरोसा क्यों करे? क्योंकि आपके पास 25 साल का एक ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड है,
बिल्कुल,
प्रोफेशनल्स हैं,
बिल्कुल,
स्ट्रॉन्ग बैकिंग है,
बिल्कुल,
और एक प्रोजेक्ट आपका जो 6 महीने में डिलीवर हो रहा है.
प्लस वी हैव लैंड इन सेक्टर 83, 79, दुबई. सो वी विल बी गिविंग समथिंग डिफरेंट इनटू गुड़गांव रियल एस्टेट मार्केट.
ओके सर, सेकंड चॉइस जो मैं बहुत बायर से मिलता हूँ, जब वो डेवलपर के एक चेकलिस्ट पे चेक कर देते हैं, सेकंड इज दी लोकेशन, लोकेशन, लोकेशन.
एग्जैक्टली.
So where is Aura World new project?
So our project is coming in Sector 79. We have chosen this location strategically because it is close to Aravali's. You have seen the AQA level in Gurgaon and Delhi NCR region. It is very high right now and harmful for the common man. So Aravali's is the only destination where you get apartment with low AQI. Then we are launching product with fully finished apartment, all amenities including a medical centers. So our project will be powered by Apollo. Entire medical facilities, emergency rooms, doctor on call, nurses to be managed by Apollo. And we are bringing more brands in terms of managing yoga centers, wellness centers, yoga centers, gymnasium, spa. So all branded will be coming in our project.
So that means Aura World Sector 79 is wellness based theme.
Exactly.
Wellness का मतलब एक सिंपल वर्ड में बायर को कैसे समझाओगे आप?
I think लोगों को लगता है wellness is only physical wellness, but it is not physical wellness. It is your mental well-being.
Okay.
So we are creating an aura in our project for your mental and physical both. That's why we are bringing so many therapies, including physical therapies, physiotherapies, hydrotherapies, anti-aging therapies, yoga centers, and we are creating something for the entire well-being of the entire family.
So what does aura mean? Aura का literal meaning क्या है?
Aura literal meaning is something is a magical. It's a magic that aura is being created. So we as a developer will redefine real estate in terms of creating a magic.
So aura means magic physically and mentally.
Right, for this project.
And how about financially? How is your product priced at?
We are very, very competitive. In Gurgaon, in Sector 79, there are other developers, maybe like M3M, DLF, Sun City.
M3M is other developer.
They are launching product with pricing of more than 16, 17, 18, maybe more than 20,000.
Privana का price क्या होगा sir?
Privana is around 20 to 23,000.
So Gaurav, अगर Privana is priced at 23,000 and it's completely sold out.
Yes.
Your product's area size starts from which?
Ticket size starts from 2 crore rupees. Price is around 12,900 rupees, all inclusive, including BSP, EDC, IDC, club charges, car parking, everything.
Okay.
So I think buyer these days are price sensitive. They want to buy something which comes under their budget and should be price sensitive. So we as a developer bringing something into that criteria.
So first checklist is your developer, second is the location,
Right.
third is the pricing.
Right.
Fourth is the amenities which is wellness based.
Right.
अब एक इन्वेस्टर जब ये 4 चीज़ें करता है, बिकॉज मैं रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस में हूँ, तो इन्वेस्टर कहता है मुझे एग्जिट चाहिए.
Right.
ठीक है. 2 CR इज अ स्वीट स्पॉट जो एंड यूजर और इन्वेस्टर ढूंढता है.
Right.
वो आपके प्रोजेक्ट में है, तो इन्वेस्टर को एग्जिट कैसे मिलेगा?
So I'll give you example. So for example, our property is priced at 2 crore rupees. Payment plan is 30, 40, 30. 30 is to be paid in next 60 to 90 days. So that is around 55 to 60 lakh rupees to be paid by the investor today.
Okay.
At a pricing of 12,900 rupees. We are expecting price to be positioned between 16 to 17,000 rupees in next 6 months. So tentative increment capital appreciation would be around 40 to 50 lakh rupees on paying 55 to 60 lakh rupees. So we are thinking there is an increment of around 70 to 80% in a midterm. Maybe in 12 months, investor will be getting that much of increment by investing in our projects. So I think it's a value addition in terms of getting all the amenities along with the capital appreciation also. In the location 79.
So
And
hold on. Let you saying that a person will invest 60 lakh rupees
yes,
because of the pricing, because of the location, since you will increase the price to 16,000 rupees, person will get 60 plus 60 or 60 plus 50 lakh rupees. That
right,
means almost 70 to 80% of ROI when he invests with you
exactly,
in a span of 12 to 15 months.
exactly.
But you're very confident about this?
Because of the location, our location is in sector 79. It is corner thing, both side corner. Every apartment is corner. Every apartment in our project is corner.
Wow.
Facing Ravlis, facing internal swimming pools. So we are creating something very, very niche for our investors because this is our first product in sector 79. We want to create value, long-term association and capital appreciation for our investors.
वेल एक चीज़ मुझे और समझ आती है बीइंग इन दिस मार्केट एक्चुअली आपका आई एग्री विथ यू द रीज़न आई एग्री विथ यू बिकॉज ऑफ द अबव चेकलिस्ट एंड द पैरामीटर्स
Right.
जब हम रीसेल करने जाएंगे तो अगेन दो का जो हमने खरीदा था वो 2.5 का हो गया 2.5 का जो कस्टमर है वो मार्केट में बहुत है
Right.
तो दैट मीन्स कस्टमर हमारे पास डिमांड बहुत है
Right.
दूसरी चीज़ मुझे जो समझ आती है कि डिमांड के अलावा उस टिकट साइज में सप्लाई नहीं है डेवलपर्स की
Agree.
कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट 2.5 करोड़ रुपए में नया डेवलपर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द इंक्रीज लैंड कॉस्ट इंक्रीज कंस्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट इंक्रीज मैन पावर कॉस्ट
Right.
2.5 करोड़ रुपए में वो कोई सप्लाई आ नहीं रही है
Right.
तो मतलब ये बहुत अच्छी बात लगती है मुझे औरा के बारे में
You rightly said, cost of construction has been increased to around 6 to 7,000 rupees per square feet. Buying FSI in sector 79 is around 3,500. So 10,000 is the basic cost of construction. Then you are selling it also. There is a 10% additional cost of selling it and other expenses. So 11,000 is the cost of building the property.
रॉ मटेरियल की कॉस्ट ही 11,000 है।
Exactly.
तो इससे नीचे कोई डेवलपर लेकर नहीं आएगा
Exactly.
इंटरेस्टिंग
So we are right now, I am again saying very price sensitive right now because we want to create our values in the market. That's why we are selling with lowest margin possible.
सो मुझे एक चीज़ और समझ आती है मैंने भी देखा है अपने एक्सपीरियंस से जब नया डेवलपर कोई आता है तो वो चाहता है कि इन्वेस्टर्स जो उनके साथ फर्स्ट टाइम जुड़े
Right.
वो कमाएं
Exactly.
तो आप भी यही चाह रहे हो तभी आप इतना लो प्राइस
we are
11,000 तो कॉस्टिंग है आपकी
So we intend to launch our product in 3 phases.
ओके
So first phase will have around 150 units that we sell at lower prices. Then we want to create opportunity for our earlier investors and increase the price by 10 to 15% so that we can sell the balance 150 units as the increased price. Then there will be a third phase. Third phase will again come after 20% price increment. So everybody will earn money in the phase manner.
सो एवरेज प्राइसिंग आपकी 12,900 नहीं है फॉर द फर्स्ट 150 investors or end users who will trust you, who will
Right.
join you, will
Right.
invest with you, will make them good money
Exactly.
in next 12 to 15 months.
Exactly.
That's very interesting. Again, मेरा एक चीज़ और है औरा ही क्यों मतलब लोगों को वो कॉन्फिडेंस डेवलपर पे बहुत चाहिए बिकॉज रिसेंटली हमने गुड़गांव में देखा कि नए डेवलपर्स जिस तरीके से मार्केट और कॉस्ट बढ़ गई है वो सस्टेन नहीं कर पाएंगे तो व्हाई हैव योर जर्नी वाज विद M3M फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम
Right.
व्हाई हैव यू मेड दिस शिफ्ट टू औरा
So I've been working with M3M, I think, for almost a decade. Starting my journey in Mumbai, then moved to Gurgaon in M3M for 10 years. I think it is an opportunity to head entire developing company. I know what we are doing in terms of buying a land till uh, creating an idea, creating a theme, creating layouts, creating a club, and then selling it to our investors. So we have expertise. We have a very renowned team. Our director is Mr. Shamroop Chaudhary, was CEO of Adani Group. So he has
Okay.
been handling the entire ecosystem of real estate. So in next 6 months, we will be position our company better than any developer in Gurgaon.
Interesting. So can you, because हम तो again मैं कहता हूँ मेरे experience से, can you on this platform before give a guarantee of, say, if one buys today after seeing our video and wants to exit before, let's say, 2-3 months, you will give 100% money back before? I'm giving a time gap also, 2 months or 3 months.
There is a risk in everything. Talking about Bitcoin, talking about share market, talking about real estate. But as a developer, what we are offering in that price range, so I don't think so there is any low side in this. There will be an increment in this for sure, for every investor, considering the location, considering the amenities we are giving. So that is a confidence, that is a trust we are building. It will take time, I know, but in 2, 3, 5 months, we will create a positioning after launching our projects in Dubai also, after launching our project on Sona Road, after launching our project in Noida. So I think that trust and long-term association we will gain eventually.
What I
It
mean
is
to
just
say,
a starting, yes.
what I mean to say is, for first 3 bookings out of this video as a reference code, can we give 100% buyback, 100% money back? Can be worked upon
Yes,
for giving that
absolutely. We will
initial
trade.
trust to the buyers.
Absolutely. We will trade these 3 units for
Okay.
you, for sure.
Chalo. Good for our viewers,
Yeah,
because this is what the confidence is all about.
Right.
I know builder is not there just to give the money back. They want a long-term association,
Right.
and with professionals backing this project, and financially and management wise, I think this project is bound to give the returns which buyers are looking
And
at.
now also the investors have become strategic investors. They know they have to invest for a longer period.
Correct.
Now the shift have become from a shorter to a longer period. People know they will earn money. They have to be patient. Invest somewhere, forget about it for a year or a two. Just be vigilant. You should know how market is behaving. You should be intelligent enough to see what is happening in the market. Definitely you will earn money.
So आज गुड़गांव का रियल एस्टेट आपके हिसाब से, is it overpriced or is it a bubble, or what do you see forecast in next 15 to 18 months?
I don't think so कि Gurgaon pricing are overpriced or it's a bubble. Considering the population in Gurgaon, in 2011 population was 15 lakh. Currently it is 25 lakh.
Okay.
Estimation is 40 lakh by 2030. So in next 5 years, population will be increased by 10 lakh. So they have to be accommodated in Gurgaon only. So earlier Gurgaon was a IT hub, maybe a millennial city. Now it has been turned into a residential hub, a global destination for everybody to come here, shift here, live here. So I don't think so it's a bubble. Pricing are fair. It is depend on the location, depend on the developer, depend on the amenities they are offering. And now we have seen people are coming up with branded residencies. So there is a cost attached with branded residencies. So
But
that's why they are
that is a
charging.
different segment altogether.
Exactly.
But what I truly believe is that since the population will increase, the demand for 2 CR to 2.5 CR will always be there in Gurgaon.
Exactly. That's we are targeting.
That's what
That is
you
our
are.
target market.
Actually, yes, because supply is limited, demand is consistent.
Right.
So we'll see gains in this kind of product pricing.
Absolutely.
So luxury projects का सबसे overrated amenity क्या है, जो हम बार-बार luxury project या branded residence की बात करते हैं?
Balconies.
Balconies की cost जुड़ती
I have
है.
seen balconies are becoming bigger and bigger in luxury apartments, and these are loaded into the cost. So maybe a balcony increase the cost by 20-30%.
But like जो लोग अच्छी सोसाइटीज में ऑलरेडी रहते हैं,
Right.
ठीक है, तो वो ये बोलते हैं कि नाउ आई स्टे इन गुड सोसाइटी, व्हाट्स न्यू, that's why the balconies or branded residence or luxury projects attract them.
Right.
Don't you think so?
I think a society is made of people. Amenities are there, clubs are there,
Hmm.
but the way people are living, our ecosystem has been built into a society that is more important for us for a longer period, for your family, for your well-being, for your business,
Hmm.
for everything. I think it is very, very important where you live and the people around you.
Absolutely correct.
Hmm.
एक क्विक फायर क्वेश्चंस हैं जो हमारी टीम ने प्रिपेयर किए हैं आपके लिए.
Right, right.
ठीक है. वी नो दैट यू आर अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन.
Hmm.
ठीक है. सो अगर ऑरा वर्ल्ड फेल होता है तो ऑनेस्टली क्या गलत होगा?
Maybe execution in terms of construction,
ओके.
because selling is easy. You can sell the entire product immediately, but execution is difficult. Building a high rise is difficult. So we, by God grace, we have expertise in that. So I don't think so that will happen.
या यू बैक्ड अप बाय अ मैनेजमेंट व्हिच इज नोन फॉर डिलीवरी.
Yeah,
सेल्स में आपकी वो एक हैबिट जो आपको डेंजरस बनाती है.
I think dangerous banati hai is consistency and follow up.
करेक्ट.
Follow up is very, very important, and I'm very consistent with that.
डिसिप्लिन या मोटिवेशन करियर में कौन सा ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है?
Discipline.
बैंकिंग वर्सेस रियल एस्टेट मेंटली कौन सा ज्यादा ब्रूटल?
I think real estate
ओके.
is everywhere.
बुक्स या नेटवर्किंग डिनर्स
Networking dinners.
कौन सा ज्यादा काम आया आपके?
Networking dinners.
ओके. अब तक का सबसे बड़ा करियर रिस्क?
Biggest career risk is taking opportunity and moving from a reputed developer to a new company, starting from profit center, cash flows, sales, marketing, everything. So I think it's the biggest risk that
So
I've
I'll
taken.
come to this point later after this questions.
Yes.
मैराथन, शॉपिंग या पार्टिंग? एक फॉरएवर.
So I think starting from March till September, it's marathon, swimming, cycling, and October till January, it's all about party.
So it's all about the season outside.
Exactly.
गौरव जैन सच में कहाँ से आया है? सिटी से नहीं, कोर से.
I think it took a lot of time to build a brand, to build something for yourself. So I've been very hardworking, very diligent, very consistent, determined. I've been participating in Ironman also. So I think that is giving me advantage in terms of managing my day. I usually wake up early in the morning at 5 and I call it as a victory hour. 5 to 6 is a victory hour for us.
Okay.
Nobody's there. You can plan your day immediately, maybe a week or the entire month. What you have to do in terms of your family. So entire day is planned in that 1 hour. So that gives us advantage in terms of your personal and professional growth and way ahead in terms of your peers.
So you call it victory hour.
Victory hour, yes.
Okay. So what has been your background, Gaurav? Because people will invest on your name also. They
Right.
would like to know more about you. How did your journey started in real estate?
I have started my real estate journey in Mumbai in 2012. Then I moved to Chandigarh for a year. Then I think turning point is M3M. When I joined M3M in 2015, started from scratch in CRM team, then moved to sales, marketing, leasing. So I gained advantage in all the departments. So when I left M3M, I was heading the entire leasing part. So I got good connections and I have sold in total inventory of more than 5,000 crore rupees in 3 to 4 years.
Wow.
Made good investors, made them exit also. So I know how to get the exit from the market. That is very, very, very important for the investors to invest with.
Correct. That is the most important.
Yes.
So you've handled a portfolio of more than 5,000 CR.
Yes.
Again, my question, what made you decide to join Aura?
Opportunity. I
Okay.
think God is giving you opportunity. Always take opportunity which is out of your comfort level.
Excellent. Here, but you'll be handling right from CRM to sales to project management. The entire project is on you.
Entire, starting from taking the land until delivery. everything.
अगेन कस्टमर ये सब जब भी बातें सुनता है तो सबसे एक और चीज तो दिमाग में आती है, सेक्टर 79
Mhm.
उसका फ्यूचर आपको क्या लगता है कनेक्टिविटी
Sector
वाइज?
79 is, I think, very strategically located near to NH8, near to Southern Peripheral Road. Big developers like DLF, M3M, everybody is there launching their big condominiums of more than 100 acres. So I think Sector 79 will be a promising sector for investors and for end user both.
फॉर बोथ।
For both. Aravali is a plus point.
पर एक और चीज़ है जो बायर्स या इन्वेस्टर्स कहते हैं कि गुड़गांव में सप्लाई बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो अपार्टमेंट्स की जो ट्रेंड हमने देखा है या जो गेन हमने देखा है पिछले 3-4 साल में, वो अब डिप होगा।
Right.
इज दिस ट्रू?
There used to be a time when supply was on a lower side and demand was on a very higher side.
करेक्ट।
Right now, I think demand and supply are both going in hand to hand. So investor has to, they have to be very careful in terms of investing with a developer. They have to see every parameter before investing in terms of the developer background, location, pricing, and what is their future also. Don't go blindly. Take their decision wisely in terms of investment in Gurgaon. But Gurgaon market is very, very, very promising. I know people will multiply their money only in real estate. There is no other avenue.
But gold has given tremendous returns, so has silver.
That is for this year only. Talking about 10-year, if you talk about 10-year increment value of gold, it has started from 30,000 till 1 lakh rupees in 10 years. So it is nothing. But for last year, people have gained almost double what they have invested in gold also.
But you mean to say that real estate will always give you returns and this demand is consistent and this
Absolutely.
appreciation is bound to happen?
Absolutely.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, Gaurav Jain. It was wonderful knowing you more, and it was actually a learning to know more about real estate industry today. Again, before we conclude, I request our viewers to like, subscribe, and share करना मत भूलिए. Thank you.